Hey everyone, I'm Anne from designerpage.com. In this video, you're going to learn about Facebook Pixels and how to set it up in your WordPress website. Facebook Pixels is a web analytical tool which is packaged in the form of a code that you can insert in the backend of your website, WordPress blog, or your shopping site like Shopify or any other e-com platform. Facebook Pixel records events that takes place in your website or store, like when someone visits your site page, views the content page, search is made for a topic of product added to shopping cart, or adds a product to wish list, enters initial checkout page, makes a payment, purchase complete or sign up or registration made in your site, and more. First, create Facebook Pixel in Facebook business account. So let's get started. Log into your Facebook business account. Link is also mentioned in the description section below the video. Next, on the Business Manager tab, click and select Pixels. You can see here I have a couple of Facebook Pixels created already. You may come across a different screen. If you are creating Facebook Pixel for the first time, click the green button Setup Pixel or click Add Data Source tab and select Facebook Pixel. Next, in the pop-up window, type a name for your pixel and WordPress URL, and we are done. Facebook Pixel is created in Facebook Business Manager. You can add the Facebook Pixel in WordPress by installing a header plugin or by installing official Facebook Pixel plugin. You can set up the Facebook Pixel in any one of the methods in your WordPress blog or store. Let me show you both the methods here. Let's name first method Facebook Pixel ID method. In your WordPress plugins page, search for official Facebook Pixel plugin, install it and activate the plugin. Next, click Settings link that's below the plugin. You need to add the Pixel ID in this box. So, head to your Facebook Pixel in Facebook Business Manager you already created. Copy the Pixel ID and next paste the Pixel ID and save changes. And we are done. The Facebook Pixel tracking process takes about 20 to 30 minutes to configure and go active. The second method of adding Facebook Pixel is Pixel Code Header method. In your plugins page, search for Insert Headers and Footers plugin. Install the plugin and activate it, and then head to Settings tab in the dashboard and click Insert Headers and Footers tab, and here we need to add the Facebook Pixel code. So need to head to Facebook Pixel that's already created in Facebook Business Manager. Select Manually Install Pixel Code section, copy the pixel code and add them in the header box of WordPress site. Once it's active, this is how your analytics will look in Facebook Business Manager site, which will allow you to take informed ad marketing and promotional decisions in the future. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share my video if you liked it, and do not forget to click the bell icon to get video updates. Thank you.